Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can unlock Sanrio Characters card and Heartopia X Sanrio Characters event update. Okay, let's get into it guys. First we're going to open up this menu, the Sanrio Characters Wonderland, and then you're going to go to this event, Sanrio Characters Vehicle Collection. Okay, and you can obtain them by drawing with the exhibition pass, and there are three characters here. The first one is the Rosie Sweetheart, Fluffy Cloud, and Chocolate Lava. Okay, I'm gonna open it. Then you're going to draw to obtain this special treasure, the Rosie Sweetheart vehicle. Okay, but maybe you need to try many times to get this one, guys. And you need a lot of exhibition pass. And for this one, oops, for the Fluffy Cloud, this is the special treasure. And the Chocolate Lava, this is Kuromi character. And yeah, that's it. If you want to obtain exhibition pass, you can claim here, guys. There is a free reward for you, the thank you gift. You will earn 120 exhibition pass. Don't forget to claim your rewards now, and then you can try to draw to get the Sanrio Characters vehicle. Okay guys, and that's how you can get the Sanrio Characters car or vehicle in Heartopia X Sanrio update. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!